Computer Science Videos here today to show you guys in this tutorial how to share a course on YouTube using a Mac computer. Without further ado, let us start the video. So in this tutorial, you need to have access to a Mac computer, an account for YouTube, and some created courses that we will be sharing to the whole world. We can now start the tutorial. Before I start this tutorial, I would like to say that you are more than welcome to subscribe to my channel, Computer Science Videos. As we know, every problem is solved by indirection. You can also follow my Twitter account. We are trying to grow as fast as ever. I'm on TikTok. We post videos here and there. Follow my page on Facebook. I'm also on Instagram. You are more than welcome to support me on PayPal. Let's now focus on the video. So now let's go down to the dock, go to the web browser, which is Safari. In this case, click on this. Wait for that to load. Once it is loaded, now let's go to YouTube Studio, top right corner, shortcut within bookmarks. Click on this, wait for that to load, and then make sure that you are signed into the account. Now what we want to do is go to the left-hand side navigation menu, go to Content. Once that is loaded, let's go to Courses. And here we have all the courses available on screen, top right corner, Create. Go to New Course, and we want to add a title. Let's just have test-course. Copy, paste to the description. As part of this tutorial, visibility will be public. We want to add a couple of videos. 3 videos added. Click on Done. Let's now create. Go back 1. Right click, reload the page. And here we have test course. We want to click on Options, Get Shareable Link. And now we want to open up a private window and then paste this into the search bar. Command V, enter. We should then have the course that was created for Computer Science Videos on screen, available for anyone with access to the link, or if they navigate to the channel for Computer Science Videos, go to Courses, and there is the newly created test course for them to click and view. So we can now quit Safari. And so that's it for this video. I'll see you guys in my next tutorial. Thanks for now. Thank you for making it towards the end of the video. Be sure to subscribe to my channel, Computer Science Videos. Be sure to check out the previous video on screen now, or you can ideally click on the playlist and watch all the journey for Computer Science Videos from the start until now.